Hello everybody, my name is Brie Rook and welcome to the L'Oreal Paris channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite L'Oreal lip shades in 4 different finishes so you can see firsthand how they compare. From liquid to gloss to satin to matte, you're going to be able to see these beautiful finishes, and I'm going to also share with you some tips on choosing the right finish for you and whatever makeup look you're trying to achieve. I don't know about you, but I love me a good lip plumper, and I'm so excited for this new lip product. It's the Plump Ambition Hyaluronic Lip Oil with 24 hours of hydration. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and tripeptides for instantly smoother, plumper looking lips. This is what my lips look like before I apply the lip oil, and this is what my lips look like after I apply the lip oil. It is incredibly effective and beautiful. This is my favorite shade, Worth It. I love this more neutral, rosy looking shade. It's just so pretty to me, and it's incredibly versatile. Love the applicator because it has little massaging beads. Makes for the most luxurious application, I'm telling you. Let the tingle settle in. That's like my favorite part. It's not an overpowering tingle. It's a very refreshing and light tingle. This is such a great finish to choose if you're doing an everyday makeup look. It gives a very effortless look. I love how it also looks after you wear it for a couple of hours. I also feel like it would look amazing with a lip combo. Take a lipstick and pop it on top. This is such a versatile lip product, and I promise when you try it, you're just gonna fall in love. Next, I'm gonna share with you the Color Riche Satin Lipstick. And again, that shade Worth It. This beautiful lipstick is infused with argan oil and vitamin E to leave the lips soft and moisturized. Offers that vibrant color with just a single swipe. It doesn't bleed, it doesn't smear, it doesn't migrate. This is gonna be your classic satin finish. You can choose to use a lip liner with this lipstick. I think it's a very flawless application when you do. But one of my favorite aspects of this particular lipstick is the design and that beautiful point that allows for a very easy application to where you don't have to use lip liner. Start up here, round it out. Gosh, look at that finish. You don't even need a lot of coats because that pigment is so powerful. This formula is so hydrating. I love it. I personally think this finish is great for a glam look because it will complement a gorgeous, like exaggerated eye look so well. But of course, you could wear this every day too. The next finish that I'm gonna share with you is the Color Riche Intense Volume Matte in the shade, again, Worth It. The formula is infused with hyaluronic acid for fuller, softer, and healthier lips with each swipe. It doesn't bleed, feather, or migrate, and has long-wearing powdery finish. If you love matte lipsticks, this is for you. When it comes to matte lipsticks, I really like a precise application. So I'm actually going to combine this lip with a lip liner, and we're gonna go in with the Color Riche lip liner in that shade Worth It. I love this lip liner because it perfectly defines. It's anti-feathering and it's rich in color. It's a gorgeous lip liner, gorgeous shade. Look at how stunning this is. This lip combo has to be one of my favorites. This is definitely giving me more of a glam look. I can't say that I would sport this every day, but I know some of you would, so go ahead. This would be great for an event, date night, going out, whatever. Even now, I feel like this adds a glam aspect to this like natural, neutral makeup look that I already have going. Pop this on and you immediately look like you're ready to go like fashion show. Right? Let's go. For the last finish, let's take it up a notch. This is still technically a matte finish, but I'm telling you, this liquid lip is going to rock your world. The Infallible Matte Resistance Liquid Lipstick in that shade Worth It. While it offers that bold and beautiful color, it's also infused with hyaluronic acid for all-day comfort. It's velvety, it feels weightless, resists smudging and transfer. I'm gonna go ahead and start lining this out, just like this, and then filling it in, just like that. And down here. Incredibly powdery, but hydrating, which is so hard to find with a matte liquid lip. That's why it's one of my favorites. As you can see, the drama is here with her. Tried and true, this will stay on all day long. This will have you set. So if you're looking for something that's gonna last, you got your matte look, no transfer, no smudge, this is it. And there you have it, 4 different finishes in the shade Worth It. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you wanna learn more about these products and find out where to buy, head over to l'orealparisusa.com. The links are below.